Waterside Nursery today, and we're going to pot up a water lily piece. This has been cut from a big water lily that you may have in your pond. May have got too big, you want to reduce it in size but not lose all the pieces. We have our rhizome, we have our mesh basket, choice of sizes, we have our feed balls ready for added nutrient. So we've trimmed off the long thick root, and we're going to place the rhizome into the basket and hold it so that it is on the surface of the top of the basket, so that when we fill with our compost, the growing tip of the plant is going to finish at the top level. We add our feed ball, pushed down into that root section so that it will give the nutrient to the root. Now the soil that I'm using is aquatic. It's a clay compost that will clump together in your hand if you squeeze it. That's what you need. Not anything that is fine, and not a black multi-purpose compost. So, as we add the compost round the outside of the rhizome, so we can firm it down, and there we see the finished item. The piece of rhizome settled, still showing the growing tip, and with its bud and the one small leaf remaining. If you wanted to, you could add 4 rhizomes to a larger square basket, put a couple of the feed balls in so that you're adding more nutrient, because there is more compost going into that basket. So when it's all firm, you lower it back down into the pond so that there is about 3 inches, 7 centimetres of water over the top of that basket. You would leave it there until the roots start to come through the mesh holes. At least by autumn you need to have it lowered down below ice level to protect this protruding crown. We have our rhizome, we've used our clay compost. Everything is fine for that just to go straight into the pond. Thank you. That was Waterside Nursery, www.watersidenursery.co.uk, potting a piece of water lily rhizome for you. Goodbye now.